that in the term one, there gives you a syllabus of, it will start from the chapter one, from the computer organization, software systems, then Boolean as well. They deleted that particular portion from the last year syllabus. But now we will do this. Okay. And the next chapter, up to the strings they will give. Up to strings they will give. I can share and I can discuss as well with you. In your term one, I'm saying, I'm not telling about your PT one actually. Okay, in the 11th class, there will be the syllabus according to that. The term one syllabus I'm just going to discuss with you. Now, this time in the PT one, I have given only the few, because only the beginning part was here, no? So I introduced Python first of all. So that's why that students can understand and they can take the views for their subjects. Okay, that what are the content in the subject and they can decide about the subject as well. So that's why I started from the Python there. So because you should know about the language also, the whatever the language we are doing in the syllabus, the what language we are doing, right? Computer system organization, in the basic computer concept we will read about that, what is computer system, hardware, software, many another terminologies you have already done in your junior classes as well. Okay, so I'm just right, uh, all these terminologies, output development, types of software, application software, system software. Okay, what are these kind of softwares? We will discuss about that. Operating system. Yes. Is there anyone saying something? I'm just discussing about the syllabus only. Voice is
Ma'am, your
cracking
voice
once
is lagging.
again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
मिनट. अच्छा, now is this clear? Is this clear? Hello?
Ma'am, it's
It is
still
breaking, I
lagging.
think, right? Just a second. Just a second. I'm just switching off. एक मिनट. Can you wait for a second? I'm just changing location there. Wait. Okay, changing my location. Yes, Aryan, what happened?
My mistake to switch on the camera.
Yes, students. Is there my voice clear to all or not? Is there my voice clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine. I have changed my location there, na? Lekin I have arranged temporarily. I have arranged. Anyway, चलो हमारा class तो हो ही जाएगा. Yes. I'm just sharing the screen. Okay, I shared the screen with you. See. Let me know about it, that my voice is clear or not. Right? Yeah. Computer system and organization, I'm just saying. Okay, in this, I was saying ki software also, we will read and learn about that. After that, Boolean logic, the number system is a separate thing. Right? In the term 1, there will be the whatever we are doing in the programming, right? The print statement starting from the installation chapter, जो अभी हम we are doing already. Okay, the operators, errors, types of errors, flow of control. It means the control statements as well. Up to the strings chapter, up to the string chapter, it will come in your examinations. Is this okay? Now we're doing it one by one. First of all, yes. So today I'm just going to start. Till then, at the last, I will give some caution related to strings, related to control statement for the more practice, right? Then you need to do. Until then, okay, bachcho, because we have already done lots of examples, lots of chapters related to programming. Which programming, which chapters we have done, string we have done, list almost, and the control statement. So we need to do lots of practice from these chapters. Okay, we will do our practice. We will do our practice of all these chapters, from all these chapters. Until then, in the theory, we will do this one, because this is very simple theory and simple terminologies are there. So you need to learn that and kindly read the chapter also from your book, because this time there will be the MCQs from the related chapters. So kindly do according to that. Okay, bachcho. Basics of computer organization. First of all, I'm just trying to discuss. Yeah, hello.
यस मैम मैम बस ये पूछा था मैम कि जो मतलब जितना भी हम उसमें आएगा पीटी में मैम
PT1 में देयर विल बी ओनली द प्रोग्रामिंग पार्ट. जो हमने अभी प्रोग्रामिंग किया है ना बेटा. When is your CS PT1? Do you know?
Just a second, ma'am.
Ma'am, 13th, I guess.
15 August, right? So you need to do according to that key. Only the programming portion you will try to do. Yesterday we were doing some MCQs also, na? Related to that. So only these portion will come. We were doing practice of the MCQs also, na? Till the looping. It will start from the getting started with Python. जहाँ से installation नहीं शुरू हो रहा है आपका. It will start from there up to the your looping portion only. Another chapter I am not giving for the PT. Okay, this is the syllabus for the term 1 only.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? Understood all? Right? So don't be confused in the syllabus.
15 and 13 है.
हाँ, no issues. लेकिन according to that, the portion will be till your programming part only. It means till your looping only. Okay? Till the nested loop, I'm just going to give. It means up to the chapter 3 chapter will come. First one, getting started with Python. Second one, the operators and the expressions. And the third one, control statements as well. It means up to the control statement of the looping and while loop. Okay, all these things we will give in the examination in the form of MCQ. Right? Done.
मैम एक बार आप मैम ग्रुप पे रीसेंड कर दो कि पीडीएफ की मैम.
हाँ. PDF of these. I've already sent in the group. Okay, kindly make a folder in your computer, all of you, Make a folder there, whatever the PDF I'm sharing, whatever the material, whatever the assignment or any another material, as well as I'm just sharing the videos also. So kindly save it.
Yes,
right?
ma'am एक बार send कर देना
No
थोड़ा
issues,
size
no
से.
issues. I will send it once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Send it. Yes. Now we should learn something more, I think. Introduction to computer system. First of all, what do you mean with the computer? Computer system, everyone knows about it. So these are so simple terminologies, and you need to attend that. एक मिनट छोटा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? एक मिनट. I want to see the attendance of the students as well. No? So that's why. 29 have joined only. Why? Just wait for a second. I have already downloaded, so I'm just opening from the this one. So it will work smoothly.
Ma'am, yesterday you didn't share the topics that are coming in the PTM. Can you do it today?
Which topic?
Ma'am, the loops. हम जिसमें theory आपने कराई थी.
Today the student is saying that I need to share all these 3 PDF I will share. Don't worry. Right? In the group, kindly remind me there. Okay? एक बार लिखोगे तो I will send. These 3 or 4 PDF I will send again. Okay. We can open that now, I think. Right. Okay, so simple theory is there because this is very first chapter. Okay, this is very first chapter in your syllabus. Okay, so according to that, you need to do all these terminologies. We have already learned about that in your junior classes also, right? So what do you mean by computer? First of all, everyone knows about it, but what is the technical definition of the computer? It is written here. Computer is an electronic device under the control of instructions stored in its memory that can accept data input, process the data according to specified rules, program on process, or produces information and store the information for use, future use. Is this okay? This is the computer, the full computer definition there. Now, I'm just telling you, what do you mean by the data? What do you mean by the data? What is data? Tell me. The raw fact.
Stored information.
Yes.
Stored information.
Stored information. It means raw facts. Okay, the raw facts of the data, whatever we are going to store in that. If we are giving some information to the system, we are giving some information for entering in a program, that is called raw information, that is called data. Let's say I'm just telling you that you need to design a program for addition of the 2 numbers. So first of all, you will take 2 numbers. What will be the 2 numbers there? A and B. A and B, you are giving some information in these 2 variables. So these are the facts. These are the data. Okay, then after that, the processed form. The processed form, it means I'm calculating the sum. C equals to A plus B. The processed form of that will be the information there. Right? This is the difference between data and information. Okay, bachcho? Okay, what are the advantages of that? How can we know about the computer systems or computers ka advantage? Everyone knows about it. Speed, accuracy, use storage, okay, and tirelessness. Right, all these things you can run. Disadvantage also, data security issue. Sometimes if data is not safe. Okay, if you are using a particular network there, a network means LAN, WAN, MAN. Have you listened about that? Have you listened about the LAN, WAN, MAN? Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
है ना? So
Yes, ma'am.
according to the, if we are using our data in a particular networking, okay, particular network if we are using, so if there is no privacy, so definitely there can be the problem of the data security issues also. Computer crimes, so आप सबको पता है ना? Health risk. What do you mean by the health risk? Health risk में क्या होगा? Let's continuously, if you're joining something online, right? So there can be health risk as well, right? Bad impact on the environment if not properly disposed of. But क्या कर सकते हैं? In this pandemic situation, continuously we are working on that. Okay, and some students are facing problem as well because physical schools are very much better with as compared to that. Okay, it is okay that I'm computer teacher. I'm just suggesting you everything is possible on the computers, right? Everything is possible on computers, and we can solve our matter on that. Okay, because if I'm teaching computer science, then I have not any issue. I can share the PDF. I can share my theory material as well as we can use the software also, and software is very much required for this subject. Am I right? Whenever we want, then you can share the data through your software. You can use that for particular purpose. You are doing your programs in that and sending the pics to me. At the same time, we are doing the practical session also. But this is not possible for all the subjects in a good manner, right? So this is also the disadvantage for that also. And if digital computer performs 5 functions to gross terms: take data as input, store data, instructions, process those stored data. Okay, if 2 students joined recently, who is this? I want to know about it. Some popular students joined recently. Who is this? I will download the attendance. I will check about your attendance. Tell me the truth. And I will call. Who joined recently? Ravi, dekna, after some time, after 10 minutes, some more people will come. See, I'm just downloading the attendance again. Let me give times just for a second. I'm just downloading their attendance. Very good. Yes, I'm downloading their attendance now. After that, who will join, I will compare. Some people are joining, very smart people are coming so late only for the attendance. Only for the attendance they are coming. Is this okay? Okay, some people have joined late in this class. Are they facing some problem or they are doing it? They are trying for that. I want to know about that. Some people have joined late. Some students are joining from the very starting. Okay, but some people have joined the section very late. Okay, after my 1 or 2 chapters. Are they able to cope up? कुछ बच्चे लेट आए थे. Actually, a response, only the response I'm getting, very well response, in fact, I'm getting from the Bhavya Bhardwaj. She's an example for that. Okay, she joined late, but in each and every class, she tried to respond. Right? At least I can know about it that what are you doing at home. राइट तो काफी सारे बच्चे जो पहले से थे, लेकिन एक एग्जांपल मैं सिर्फ उस बच्चे का दे रही हूँ जिस बच्चे ने थोड़ा सा लेट ज्वाइन किया था, लेकिन उसने कॉप अप किया और वो अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करने की अपनी तरफ से एटलीस्ट कोशिश इज ट्राइंग, राइट. So there were some more students also, so I'm just asking for those students also. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can personally contact with me, right? Is this okay? Sometimes I'm just some student is sharing his screen. How is this possible? One student was sharing the screen recently. Is there the Chirag also? Okay. हाँ चिराग. Chirag, call me later, right? Okay. Basic of introduction of computer organizations. In this computer component, everyone knows about it. Ki, what do you mean by the computer component there? Okay, the hardware and the software. What do you mean by the hardware? If I'm just telling you, then can you write the definition of the hardware? Computer hardware is a collection of physical elements, part that constitute. Please learn the definition of all these terminologies and read each and every instruction so that the different parts are also there. So we should know about the different parts also for the, let's say, computer graphic cards, sound cards, memory, motherboard, chips. We will read about that also because 1 mark questions they can ask from all these terminologies. These are the part of hardware, right? Software as well. Software is a generic term for organized collections of computer data instructions, often broken into 2 major categories. Okay, the first of all, we can tell the application software. Operating system is also the part of application software. Do you know what is operating system? What is the function of operating system? What is the function of our operating system? Chirag, do you know? What is the function of operating system, bacha?
हमारी क्लास में कोई चिराग मैम कोई चिराग नहीं है हमारी क्लास में.
तो कौन बच्चा था जो ऑन कर रहा था स्क्रीन अभी? Who was that? Okay, tell me what is the purpose of operating system? What is operating system? Can you give one example of operating system?
US Android.
So what is the purpose of that? What is the purpose of that? Okay. Yes, tell me. How can you know about what is the purpose of operating system? Okay. What is its role?
Operate the functioning of computer.
Exactly. Okay, it plays a role as an interface between the hardware and the user, right? So that is the example of that, and this is the purpose for that. Software is an operating system is also the example of software, right? There are some application software, okay, or system software. So system software is what and application software is what, right? Application software means if you're doing something in a particular, if you are running your programs, okay, that is the purpose of the users. So that will be called your application software. It means the purpose of user, it means Python language you are using for that. Okay, you are generating your programs in that. Different packages, words, PowerPoint, PPTs, okay, all these things you are using. Okay, so these are the examples of application software there. But the system software also. System software means the system file, which is usable for running the function of the computers. Okay, so that is the example of system software. For example, for the system software, we can tell the very good example operating system. Okay, but in that you are working and you are doing your application. That is the example of application software. This is the functional component of a computer: control unit, arithmetical and logical unit, memory unit, output and input device. Okay, this is the example of that. MPU, microprocessor unit, is the combination of control unit and the ALU. What do you mean by ALU? Arithmetic logical unit. What is the purpose of arithmetic logical unit? What is the purpose of arithmetic logical unit? It solves the task. It helps us to solve the task for arithmetic and the logical concept. What is the purpose of control unit? As we know that central processing unit, it means CPU is the brain of the computer. Every processing, who is doing? कौन कर रहा है? What is the task of the CPU? This is the brain of the computer. So every and each logical and tricky part is of processing part is solving by the CPU only, right? So arithmetic logical part, it means by the name we can understand the arithmetic all related, the task related to arithmetic and the logical, okay, part. Who will do? Arithmetic logical unit, and the rest to solve the process, to handle the process, the control unit will. Okay. Input and output devices. What do you mean by input and output devices? Everyone knows about it. Device through which data and programs from the outside world enter the computer system. Okay, that is called the input. If you are giving something, if you are pressing something, let's say what is the device we are using for the input? जो मेन है आप क्या यूज करते हो कीबोर्ड यूज करते हो ना बहुत सारी डिवाइसेस हैं इनपुट की भी राइट सो व्हाट आर यू यूजिंग input device. Let's say we are entering some data in that, we are giving some information that is a part of input unit. Okay, and if we are getting the result stored in the computer memory that is available outside of the computer system, that is outside output unit. Okay. Once again, it is describing about that arithmetic logical unit performs the basic arithmetic operators as addition, subtraction, perform logical operations such as ये देखो and or not आपने operator have already used. Type of operators are there? And or not? And or not? Tell me and or not. Which type of operator is this?
Ma'am, logical.
Logical operators. Right, all these logical operators also you can use. Most ALUs have a small amount of storage, special storage. Okay, that is control unit. It organizes the computer to work computer as single unit and generate control signals for various devices regarding the read and writing of the statement and execution as well. Execution as well. It means the processing part, reading and writing part, whatever you are giving to the input, whatever we are receiving from the output, and as well as the processing part is doing. It is the part of control statement. Okay. Memory, a collection of cells, each a unique physical address. We have already discussed about that also in our Python part. If we are pressing some character, we are giving some digits or another characters. Okay, there are some codes that is called the ASCII code also as well, and there are some memory representation code also. First of all, we have learned about the binary units. What the binary digits we have already discussed. Okay, what are the binary digits? The language of 0 and 1. The language of 0 and 1, that is the binary language we call, right? 0 and 1. Okay, so for all these memory representation through all these memory language, that is the part of memory, right? Memory units is given there. See how much memory is required for a file, data, or program, etc. is measured by the memory units. Okay, बच्चों, ये सारी units are given there. All these memory measurement units of the computers. Okay, I will send this PDF as well. Please store all these PDF. Today I will take time and I will send all these PDFs. आगे की भी मैं कुछ भेज दूंगी, right? Then after that store this in your computer. Okay, memory types are there. CPU cache memory, primary memory and secondary memory. So first of all, we will discuss about the primary memory. What is primary memory? What is primary memory? Tell me, what is primary memory? Primary memory. Random access memory, RAM and ROM. Have you listened? हमें एक एक बच्चे से पूछोगे. These information should be clear in your mind. RAM. RAM is a kind of, हम बेटा फर्स्ट क्लास से हम लर्न करते आते हैं कि this is volatile and this is non-volatile. What do you mean by the volatile and non-volatile? What do you mean by the volatile and non-volatile? One is erasable and second one is not non-erasable, right? It's a type of volatile memory. It stores the information in integrated chip, hold the data, mainly when the program is being executed by the CPU. It is volatile, so its nature, it can't store the data permanently. Permanently store nahi hoga. Okay, so that's why we can erase it also. Okay, let's say if you're doing your program computers, is it storing in the RAM or in the ROM?
RAM.
Yeah, non-volatile memory chip in which data is stored permanently and cannot be altered by the programmer. What is the example for that? जो प्रोग्रामर हम लोग डिलीट नहीं कर सकते हैं उसको. चिप में डायरेक्टली कोटेड किया जा रहा है, जो डायरेक्टली लिखा जा रहा है, या आपका जो सिस्टम फाइल्स की कुछ चीजें या बाइनरी कोड जो भी है जो चिप में, इफ दे आर डायरेक्टली कोटिंग इन दैट, so that is example of ROM. Secondary memory. Secondary memory, a storage which the supplements the main memory of a computer, often referred to as a secondary storage. This section of computer's memory is non-volatile. Has low cost as per the bit stored, but generally has an operating speed far slow than as compared to primary storage. Secondary memory. What are the secondary devices? Secondary devices?
Hard disks.
External devices. Good. Right. Cache memory. A small high-speed memory which is used to increase the speed of processing by making current programs. Okay. And by available to the CPU at a rapid rate. Okay. What is its purpose? So cache memory, is there anyone knows about it? Have you listened about the cache memory?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the. Batao, explain. Only participate बच्चों, if you knows about it. गलत है, सही है. No one is.
हर CPU में होती है मैम कैच मेमोरी, कुछ MB 7-8 MB CPU में होती है.
हाँ.
तो उसकी प्रोसेसिंग फास्ट होती है.
प्रोसेसिंग फास्ट होती है और जो हमारे पास एग्जिस्टिंग मेमोरी है, ओके, as per the requirement of the speed, as per the requirement of data, the CPU can use the cache memory also. यानी कि एक तरीके से एडजस्टमेंट का काम करता है. जैसे मुझे जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, लेट्स से स्पीड में प्रॉब्लम है या डाटा स्टोरेज में प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ ऐसा है, देन एट द टाइम द कैश मेमोरी विल वर्क, राइट. It is a volatile computer memory which is nearest to the CPU, so also called the CPU memory, is between the CPU and the RAM. Okay, all the recent instructions are stored into the cache memory. It is the fastest memory that provides high-speed data access to computer microprocessors.
Ma'am, can you tell me the theory according to the reference book which we had to prepare for periodic? According to that reference book.
Theory of?
For periodic.
For periodic?
Yes.
The PDF I am sharing with you, na?
Ma'am, if we have to prepare from,
from the book also. We have done more other examples also. Okay, when will be your next period? When will be your next period?
Ma'am, no other period before PT.
No other period? I'm just telling, will be your next computer science period. It is on Tuesday, I think.
Ma'am, but we have exams from Tuesday.
Okay, done. So, right, so you need to do all these PDFs from the PDFs, all this theory. I'm just telling you all this theory you need to learn, right? We have already discussed all these terminologies. कि token क्या है, keyword, okay, identifiers, the kinds of leaders, operators, the types of operators, precedence of operators as well. You can write as well. Okay, just read from the all these stuff I have already discussed in the class. So kindly read it from the book as well. If you are facing some problem or there is some confusion, then let me know about it. I'm just stopping it now. अभी इसको stop करते हैं, then after that we can discuss that also. Tell me. Yes, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am, it's fine. I mean, we can continue the same topic now.
It is okay. Okay, kindly read. I will share. Once again, I will share. I have already shared all my PDFs. The theory is given there also. You should know about all the terminologies. So what is variable, dog strings, okay, and all these types of terminologies you need to learn. Okay, then the validity of the identifiers. What do you mean by the keyword? Just like all these things. How can you install the Python, right? All these things you should know about it. Okay, the simple theory is there. What is the difference between while, for? What do you mean by the for loop? Okay, these kind of things you should know about it. Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more thing. If you are facing some issue in any of the theory term, so I'm just giving you time. You can check it once again. आप यहाँ पर बैठी हूँ मैं, फटाफट एक बार देखो, go through it. Because this chapter is will be come in the term 1. We have already discussed all these things and we have planned to the MCQs type questions also. So that's why I started that. If you're facing some issue in that also, okay, then you can discuss with me. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, I've not seen all the PDF yet, but if any confusion is there, then I'll WhatsApp it to you. Thank you.
Okay, no issues. Right? If you're facing some issue, then separately also you can ask before the examinations. Right? Is this fine? Chalo. Personally as well, you can ask. So that's why actually I was sharing some simple data with you, right? RAM and ROM and whatever so simple terminologies I was discussing, because this is so simple and you have already heard about it. Okay, so that's why I discussed this chapter today. Okay, because your examination are coming in and you should not be
the
confused.
sample question paper that you showed us the other day.
Yes, bache?
Ma'am, the sample question paper that you shared with us the other day, can you share it on the group?
The yesterday's question paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will share that also. भेज दूंगी मैं आपको. ठीक है, but don't be confused in that. Some students will confuse in that because this is from the whole revision tour. It means the list question are there, the dictionary question are there, further chapters questions are also there. So the student will be confused. ठीक है, मैं उसके 1-2 पेजेस आपको भेज दूंगी जो मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस किए थे, राइट?
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ, okay. If you have any doubt related to any question, then kindly give me the screenshot. Contentment में, nested loop में, अगर कोई program नहीं समझ आ रहा है, kindly go through with this. Check it. Stopping this chapter now. मैं यहाँ पर अभी इसको रोक देती हूँ, एक काम करती हूँ. I'm just stopping it now. Okay. Kindly open your book, all of you. Open your book. Okay, I have discussed lots of programs. But if you have any doubt, then you can share the screenshot in the chat option. I will discuss that also. एक बार देख लो बच्चों. I'm just waiting for you. You check it till then. I'm just taking your attendance. Wait. Okay, till then you can check. If you have any doubt, then definitely we will discuss. Otherwise, personally also, if you are facing some issue, then after revising that, you can personally ask before the examinations. Let me know about it, right? Okay, there is a list, but I'm unable to open that also.
मैम जितना सिलेबस पीटी में आ रहा है उतना प्रीति अरोड़ा की बुक क्या पीडीएफ बना के भेज सकते हैं?
क्लोज द डोर. इधर साउंड आ रहा है बहुत ज्यादा. क्लोज द डोर. यस बेटा, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग ऐश्वर्या?
मैम जितना सिलेबस पीटी में आ रहा है उतना प्रीति अरोड़ा की पीडीएफ बना के भेज सकते हैं?
प्रीति अरोड़ा की पीडीएफ.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you not purchased your book?
Ma'am, I have NCRT, so I was practicing from that.
Okay, I will send one link of the Preeti Arora. So this is the online link of the Preeti Arora. If you want, then you can check it from there also. But I told you that you need to purchase the Preeti Arora book only. Then why have you purchased that?
Ma'am, I had that from.
Actually,
what
was the reason? From the NCRT, we can follow the instructions, we can follow the syllabus. Okay, we can follow the syllabus, but lots of questions for the practice. This is there in the refresher books. There is another refresher book that is Sumita Arora, but I haven't suggested for that. क्योंकि अगर आप उसको करने लग गए ना, तो फिर आप मुश्किल से 2-3 चैप्टर्स कर पाओगे और ज्यादा कर ही नहीं पाओगे क्योंकि lots of questions are there. So I gave the reference of the Preeti Arora only. That is very good book. And the programs are also, the students will be able to understand that. Okay, I will send the link. Personally, आप मेरे को chat पर भेज देना WhatsApp में. Okay, I will send that also. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
If it is possible, kindly purchase that. Because the course of in the revision 2, the course will come in your class 12th also. Okay? They will follow the syllabus of class 11th as well in your class 12th as it is. They will follow the syllabus of class 11. So that's why. Okay? Kindly decide about this. That you are not preparing for class 11th only. You are preparing this syllabus, this Python, especially this Python syllabus for the class 12th also. Yesterday I discussed one PDF with you ना, जो मैंने कल क्वेश्चन MCQs के आपके करवाए थे. ठीक है, those questions were from the class 12th revision 2 practice test. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, I'm just. Have you not received any doubt? बच्चों क्या करते हो, आपने मेरा भी वो करवा दिया. बताओ, do you have not any doubt? I'm downloading
No.
your attendance. Downloading your attendance. Yes. No issues. You can revise your syllabus, and then after that also personally you can ask if you're facing.
Thank you.
ठीक है, आप कर लेना. अगर ज्यादा होंगे तो we will arrange a separate small doubt class. No issues. ठीक है, अगर ज्यादा होगा तो we will arrange a special. अगर as per the requirement of the students, let me know about it. Right? अगर छोटा मोटा डाउट है तो आप मुझसे वैसे पूछ लीजिएगा. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Okay, बच्चों.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. You can leave now. Yes.